Mapay nga adlaw hay mga tanan mga kawaray. Magandang araw sa inyo, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At siyempre doon din pa sa ating mga OFW. Saan man po kayo naroon, mag-ingat po kayo at mabuhay po kayo. Sa mga supporters at viewers na pinapanood ang aking mga ina-upload na video dito sa aking munting channel, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa mga nag-subscribe na dito sa aking munting channel, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, patuloy po ako nag-aantay sa inyo. Ngayong araw na ito, meron tayong panonoorin mga video na nakakatakot uli. At credit naman po ito kay Viral Now. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Tara na po, panoorin na po natin. Bago nga po pala matapos ang inyong mga pinapanood na video dito sa aking munting channel, ay huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-iwan ng likes. Malaking bagay po yan sa akin. Okay, tara na po, panoorin na po natin.
CCTV showed that during a late-night shift, a nurse was working when something impossible happened. A wheelchair began moving on its own. At first, she froze, unsure if her eyes were playing tricks, but then shock took over, and she ran away. The footage ended abruptly, leaving viewers on edge. Some suggested air pressure or a mechanical glitch, but others felt the hospital itself held a heavy...
Creepy ng wheelchair, oh. Kusang gumalaw yung wheelchair. Wala namang nagtutulak, oh. Ay, grabe. Takot yung nurse, gulat siya, oh. Takot yung hospital na yan.
Restless energy, where suffering never truly fades. At 3 a.m., the hospital corridor should have been empty, but it wasn't. In 2016, CCTV captured a door slowly opening at a dark shadow.
Yun, oh. Dumaan siya, oh. Anino? Grabe yan. Bato, hospital ba to? Hospital din yata to, eh.
Gliding through as if it belonged there. Security staff were stunned when they reviewed the footage. Nothing explained the presence of the shadow. One thing was clear, a dark...
Talagang ano lang siya, anino lang siya, oh. Wala ka namang ibang makikitang tao dyan na dumaan para magkaroon ng anino. Kasi para magkaroon ng isang anino, dapat may taong dadaan dyan na may matutukan siya ng ilaw. Yung liwanag ba para magkaroon ng shadow. Pero walang dumaan, eh. Walang dumaan na ano, may solid body. So, ibig sabihin, elemento yan. Ay, grabe. Creepy ng ano. Ang creepy ng lugar.
Energy had casually made its way through the hospital. The footage left everyone unsettled, a silent warning that some entities just do not roam in graveyards anymore. Leaked CCTV footage from a hospital in Russia has left viewers debating what they saw. The camera captured a quiet morgue room where bodies were kept, and at first, nothing seemed out of place. Then, the stretcher
Oh, kusa siyang gumalaw oh. Kitang-kita naman walang humila niyan. Pero na lang kung automatic yan ha. Pero hindi, may gulong siya oh. Bagay, morgue. Ano pang asahan natin pag morgue? Creepy.
began moving on its own, and a cabinet opened and shut without anyone near it. What happened next was never officially released, as the hospital tried to bury the evidence. Fortunately, a staff member secretly saved the footage and leaked it, leaving the world to wonder if a dark spirit was trapped in the morgue, haunting the empty room. In Florida, a man climbed into a storm drain to grab his keys. It was a simple plan.
Oh. Ano yan? Shokoy? Shokoy saan? Pero may tubig naman eh. Sa drainage to eh. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Grabe ni tsura. Katakot to. Yung sabagay, hindi mo na makakasalubong yan dahil nasa ilalim, nasa drainage yan eh. Pero na lang kung papasok ka sa drainage. Talagang makakasalubong mo to. Katakot.
Until it turned into a nightmare. Inside that narrow tunnel, he saw a massive creature half submerged in the dark, dirty water. Its shape was humanoid with pale blue skin that looked fish-like. It had long soaked hair that clung to its face and fins stretched from its arms. The creature's tilted eyes were terrifying too, because they were completely white. Then it hissed at him. He understood that it was a warning to make him back off, so he left his keys behind and left the drain to save his life. In the Appalachian Mountains, ethologists had set up a capture camera to record the activity of black bears and elk, but instead they recorded something unbelievable.
Ano yan? Kung saan naglalakad lang ng dalawang paa? Nakatayo? Grabe naman. Ito kaya yan?
Unbelievable and truly nightmarish. A tall creature stepped into view. Its head was just like a reindeer. However, that's where the normal characteristics ended. Its limbs were far too long for any deer-like animal, and its arms hung so low they reached below its knees. It walked upright like a person with a really strange gait. As it walked out of the frame, the researchers weren't just confused, but terrified as well, because the creature looked like a Wendigo. What you're about to see will mess with your mind. A trail camera in the Point Pleasant, West Virginia woods that was set up.
Ano yan? May pakpak yun. Paro-paro. Iting na pang gabi. Ano eh. Parang tao. Yung balahibo siya eh. Creepy ng itsura oh. Totoo kaya to?
monitored deer and coyotes, ended up capturing an actual Mothman. Take a look. The creature was a massive furry beast walking on two legs like a person. The camera caught only part of its face, and it was strangely flat, with small bear-like ears sticking out of its fur. It even had enormous bat-like wings on its back. Then it flapped them and lifted straight into the sky. When scientists reviewed the footage, they were stunned because the sighting happened near the Mothman Museum in the city where the legend of the monster first began. A man had been driving to Ashland, Kentucky at night when he took a wrong turn and ended up in a strangely empty area. He began hearing howling noises very close to his car. Then his heart began to race as something started banging on the vehicle. He began recording and caught a brief glimpse of a face outside the window. It was gray.
Oh, grabe yung mata niya, oh. Kulay green. Yellow-green. Parang yung sa mga ahas. Grabe. Creepy nung mata niya. Wow. Ako din. Kita mo yung ganyan, no? Sisilip sa bintana ng kotse. Ang dilim pa ng area. Oh. Creepy.
Yellow eyes that glowed unnaturally. There were no irises. The entire eyeball was yellow with a single vertical pupil. He knew immediately this was no human. Terrified for his life, he stopped recording and hit reverse.
Okay, natapos na naman po ang mga video na ating pinanood dito sa aking munting channel. Maraming salamat po dun sa mga nanood. At sa mga hindi pa nanonood, panoorin nyo po. Maraming salamat din po sa inyo. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Kay doon sa buong membro ng team San Pedro Ghost Hunters, shoutout po sa inyo. Doon din sa sa Maglola, na si Iris ba yun? Hindi ko masyadong kung tama ba yung pronunciation doon sa pangalan mo, sa channel mo. Shoutout sa inyo na Maglola. Ano pa ba? Kita-kits po tayo sa muli doon sa mga i-upload ko pa mga video dito sa aking munting channel. At maraming salamat po sa inyo.